Well, CAFS is important because it provides a much needed home to diverse scholars and practitioners that are exploring issues related to food. And university departments, as well as other areas, there isn't always a natural place for the interdisciplinary field of food studies. So I think CAFS performs a very necessary function that will likely continue to grow as the awareness of the importance of food in our lives increases.
I am David Sando, and I am a freelance food academic. And the question about why we need CAFS, the Canadian Association for Food Studies, or CFS, the Canadian Food Studies Journal, is really why we need food studies in the first place. This is an incredibly diverse and complicated field. We need to understand food and human food relations much better than we already do. We need to propose speculative ideas that haven't been thought of by other disciplines or areas of academic pursuit. And we need to do that in a way that's caring and good and thoughtful and generous and supportive to others who also want to do the same thing. For me, that's what CAFS and CFS bring together. It's a space of nurturing, it's a space of criticality, and it's a space of advancing in directions we don't even know exist yet, but that we need to keep reaching out towards in order to make this world not just a better place, but make this world last beyond 2023.
Canadian Food Studies, the journal, matters because it gives us a place to talk about food systems within the context of this particular colonial geography that is Canada. And I think it's important because there are, distinctive features of this, political, administrative, colonial territory that differentiate us from, the European context or the American context. And it gives us a place to tell the stories from these territories of Canada, which I think is important because otherwise, we risk missing out on the sort of particular ways in which, for example, inequity is built into the food system as it exists in this country. So I think Canadian Food Studies is very important for that reason, and I hope that it continues to facilitate those kinds of conversations and discussions for many, many years ahead.
So why does the Canadian Association for Food Studies matter to me? So for me, it's about a home, a place where there's enough different disciplinary perspectives that I am sort of stretched and encouraged to think differently about both what it is that I'm studying myself and what others are studying. So I really like that CAFS stretches the boundaries of what it is that I'm thinking about when it comes to food systems, food security. Thanks.
The Canadian Association of Food Studies is really important in terms of bringing food scholars together from a wide range of disciplines. The association allows me to stay current on important issues in food studies from a wide range of perspectives, and as a political scientist studying food, this is really important to me. I think the articles in the journal are also really useful in terms of teaching about food. Also, I think that the journal is a valuable resource for policy development, and as the association gains more visibility, I think that there will be more opportunities for scholars in the association to make an important impact on local and national food policy.
CAFS is important because it provides an interdisciplinary pedagogical food platform for exchange and sharing of information, research, and knowledge. CAFS extends communities by creating opportunities and spaces for communities of practices and communities of research to connect.